There's so many brick patterns to choose from when working with glow path pavers. Trying to narrow them down? We can help. Here's 6 popular pattern designs to use with glow path pavers. Before we start, let us know if you find this video helpful by subscribing and hitting the like button. Pattern 1, the running bond. This pattern is created by alternating blocks of brick with courses of mortar. It is the most popular pattern for paving and is often used for walkways, driveways, and patios. 2. Single border. This pattern consists of one border around the edge that encloses the bricks or stones in an area. It can be used in any type of area, but it is often seen around pools, fountains, and other water features because it offers a more formal look than other patterns do. 3. Double border. This pattern consists of 2 borders on the edges of the paving area that enclose the bricks or stones in an area. It is typically used for narrow areas, such as paths between flower beds or garden beds. 4. Herringbone. The herringbone pattern is a classic brick paver pattern that involves laying the bricks at a 45-degree angle to create a zigzag effect. This pattern is often used for paths and walkways because it is easy to install and provides good traction for pedestrians. The double herringbone pattern is made up of 2 rows of paving blocks that have a wider space in between them. This makes it easy to place furniture and other objects in the area created by the wider spaces. 6 is the basket weave pattern, a popular brick paver pattern that involves laying the bricks in a crisscross pattern to create a woven effect. It is often used for patios and other larger outdoor surfaces because it is visually interesting and can be used to create complex geometric designs. Glow path technology offers a variety of pavers that will add safety and elegance to any paver pattern you choose. Glow Pro polymeric sand also works well to enhance any new or existing brickscape. There are many different brick paver patterns to choose from, and the pattern that is right for you will depend on the size and shape of your outdoor space, as well as your personal aesthetic preferences. For questions and to order, contact Glow Path Technology today.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Here's a video you may like about how to use glow stones and cement.